Hi there, I'm going to show in this video tutorial how to reflash Maxcom MM248. This sample has some software issues. In order to reflash it, I'm going to use a Furious Gold box and the SPD service tool latest version from pack 2. Before that, be sure that you have the drivers installed and that you downloaded the firmware file from the support area. Let's start by selecting our model. And from the operations box, I'm going to choose the right firmware and select the flash file. Once the file is loaded, I'm going to press connect. And if we read the instructions, we need to keep pressed 4 key and insert the USB cable. And if everything is okay, the device gets detected and the work starts. Now we only need to sit back and wait for the software to complete the flashing operation. So as you see, the process of flashing the firmware ended, and the phone successfully powered on. So you can see everything is okay. We have here a full signal, so the phone got successfully repaired. So thanks again for watching this video tutorial. Thanks for using our products. Bye bye.